Hello everyone! Most cars, from the humble Mini to the humble bragging, supercar-slaying Porsche 911 Turbo, are sold in pretty much the exact same form around the world. But some automakers tailor their vehicles to the region where they're being sold. And in international markets, i.e., not Europe or North America, and generally budget-conscious, that can mean customers getting some second-rate rides. But the new Renault Kardian looks cool enough to cut it with the best on European highways, though you'll never see it there. The subcompact, B-segment SUV is being launched first in South America, before being rolled out to other international markets, and is the first Renault vehicle to be built around a new modular platform that can be used on everything from little SUVs to large pickup trucks. At 4119 millimeters, 162 inches long, and riding on a 2604 millimeters, 102.5 inches wheelbase, the Kardian is slightly smaller than Europe's Captur, but has a similar waistline and split C-pillar treatment. Where the design really differs is around the nose. The Captur has conventional headlights with claw-shaped DRLs wrapping around them, while the Kardian has a split headlamp arrangement and a bigger, squarer grille opening that gives the SUV a more macho look. The Kardian also promises to be more practical thanks to its large roof rails that can carry 80 kilograms, 176 lbs, loads, and can even be unbolted and reattached across the car. Despite what the tough stance and skid plates suggest, the Kardian only delivers power to the front wheels. That power comes from a 1-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged engine hooked up to a dual-clutch transmission and generating 123 horsepower, 125 PS, and 162 pound-foot, 220 newton-meters of torque. Hybrid tech? Not here. The less developed markets don't demand it, and that helps keep the cost down. The DCT and its stubby Porsche-like shifter will help the Kardian stand out in the South American market, and the interior, which strongly resembles the Dacia Sandero's, should certainly go down well thanks to its 8-inch infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay functionality, and separate digital instrument pack. It's big on safety too, being the only car of its kind to offer blind spot monitoring and a multi-view camera system, Renault says. Adaptive cruise control, auto emergency braking, and hill start assistance are also part of the package. Renault will kick off production first at its Curitiba plant in Brazil, before expanding the operation to take in the Casablanca plant in Morocco. Write in the comments what you think about the new Renault Kardian. It's interesting to know your opinion. Put likes and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the latest news from the world of cars.